Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putri Maesari. I'm from Environmental Engineering University of Jambi. In this video, I will explain to all of you about the reading technique, skimming and scanning. The first, I will explain to you about the skimming. Skimming is one of the method of reading techniques to find the main idea of the text. When we are using the skimming, we are using the skimming in three different situations. The first is pre-reading, the second is reviewing, and the last one is reading. There are 5 steps how to skimming an article or text. The first is read the title first. The second is read the introduction or lead-in paragraph. And the third is read the first paragraph completely. And the fourth is, if there are subheadings, read each one, looking for relationship among them. And the last one is read the first sentence of each main paragraph, because the main idea is usually can find because usually we can find the main idea of most paragraph appears in the first sentence, or it can be found in the last sentence. Okay, next I will explain to you about the scanning. Scanning also is one of the method in reading techniques for finding a specific name, date, statistic, or fact without reading the entire article. There are several steps in use scanning techniques. The first is keep in your mind at all times what it is you are searching for. The second is anticipate in what form the information is likely to appear, numbers, proper nouns, and the other. And the third is analyze the organization of the content before starting to scan. The fourth is let your eyes run rapidly over several lines of print at a time. And the last one, or the fifth, is when you find the sentence that has the information you have been seek, read the entire sentences. Okay. Next, I will explain about the example in using scanning and skimming in text. The first text is report text, which is title is COVID-19, government urges Muslims not to hold bukber during Ramadan. In this text, we can make the questions. The first question is, using skimming techniques, what is the main idea of the report text? From the title of the text, we can conclude that the report text is explain about the announcement which is prohibited the Indonesian Muslim to holding the bukber in this Ramadan, because there are so many people in Indonesia are contaminated by the COVID-19 virus. Okay, for the scanning reading techniques, I made the question is, how many cases had recorded in Indonesia at least on 10 April 2020? In this report text, the last text is mention the victim or the Indonesian peoples which is contaminated, the Indonesian people who is contaminated by the COVID-19 virus or coronavirus. Okay, in this text is mentioned the Indonesian health authorities had recorded at least 3,512 confirmed cases in all 34 provinces across the country as of Friday, with 306 deaths. Okay, we move to the second text. The second text is explanation text about Borobudur Temple or about Candi Borobudur. For the skimming techniques, I made the question is, what is the main idea of the text? Main idea of the text of the Borobudur Temple. Borobudur is one of the temple who is located in Magelang, Central Java, in Indonesia. From the title and from the first paragraph, we can make summarize. This text is explained about the Borobudur Temple for the location, why is Borobudur Temple is famous, and the Borobudur Temple history. Okay, for the scanning techniques, I made the question is, where is the located of Candi Borobudur Temple? In the first paragraph, in this paragraph is explain the Borobudur is a Buddhist temple. It was built in the 9th century under Sailendra dynasty of ancient Mataram Kingdom. Borobudur is located in Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia. So the answer is Candi Borobudur Temple is located in Central Java, in Magelang, Central Java, Indonesia. And the last one, the third text is analytical exposition text about the importance of sleep. For the skimming, I made the question is, what is the topic of the text? The topic of the text is explained about the importances of sleeping, the positive impact of sleeping, and why is sleeping is need in our life. And the scanning and for the scanning techniques, I made the question is, what positive impact can you get if you have enough quality of sleep? The oh, the positive impact is the positive impacts are, it can help protect your mental health, physical health, quality of life, and safety. Okay, this is all I can explain to you. I'm sorry if I made so many mistakes and I'm so nervous in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video is help to you and you can understand what I speak to you. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.